Have you noticed your hair getting thinner after 60? Don't worry, nature has your back. In this video, we reveal 5 natural foods that can actually help your hair grow thicker and healthier, even as you age. These aren't gimmicks or expensive treatments, they're scientifically backed and found right in your kitchen. Stay with us till the end to discover a powerful bonus tip most people don't know. If you care about aging gracefully, hit subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs it. Drop a comment below if you're ready to revive your hair naturally. Let's dive in. Number 1. The power of eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of nutrition for older adults, and they're especially powerful when it comes to supporting hair thickness after 60. Packed with high-quality protein, biotin, and essential B vitamins, eggs help strengthen hair roots, prevent thinning, and support new growth from the scalp. As we age, the body's ability to absorb certain nutrients declines, making hair weaker and more brittle. By including eggs in your regular diet, whether boiled, poached, or scrambled in olive oil, you're providing your body with the natural building blocks it needs to rebuild and rejuvenate your hair from within. Biotin, found abundantly in eggs, is known to improve keratin infrastructure, the protein your hair is made of. Many people over 60 notice visible improvements in hair volume after adding eggs consistently to their meals. Best of all, eggs are simple, affordable, and a part of many traditional diets, making them a trustworthy choice for natural hair health. Make it a habit to enjoy an egg a day, and your hair will thank you for it in just a few weeks. Don't underestimate the power of this old-fashioned, time-tested food. It may just be your secret weapon for thicker, fuller hair. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is a gift from nature for anyone looking to restore hair health after 60. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and vitamin D, this oily fish helps fight inflammation in the scalp, nourishes hair follicles, and improves the shine and density of hair. Many older adults experience hair thinning due to poor circulation and hormonal changes that affect the scalp. Omega-3s found in salmon are well known for improving blood flow, which helps carry essential nutrients directly to your hair roots. Regular consumption of salmon at least twice a week can lead to noticeably healthier hair within a few months. It's not just the omega-3s, salmon also contains selenium and B vitamins that boost your overall hair structure. What makes it ideal for the over 60 audience is its role in supporting heart and brain health too, making it a perfect all-in-one food. Choose wild-caught salmon when possible, and grill or bake it with herbs for a delicious meal. Traditional diets from coastal communities have long praised fish like salmon for vitality and beauty. And now science confirms what our ancestors knew. If you want thicker, more radiant hair and better health overall, let salmon become a staple on your plate. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach may seem humble, but for aging hair, it's a powerhouse. This leafy green is loaded with iron, folate, vitamin A, and C, all critical nutrients for hair growth and scalp health. After 60, many people unknowingly suffer from mild iron deficiency, which can lead to excessive hair shedding and thinning. Iron is responsible for delivering oxygen to your hair follicles, and without it, your roots weaken and slow down growth. Spinach not only boosts iron levels naturally, but also contains vitamin C, which helps your body absorb that iron more efficiently. Its vitamin A content assists in sebum production, keeping your scalp moisturized and free of flakiness. Regularly eating spinach, whether in soup, stir-fries, or traditional dishes, helps combat the dryness and brittleness that often come with age. And because it's rich in folate, spinach supports the renewal of cells, including those that make up the hair strand itself. Older adults often find that their scalp feels more balanced and their hair looks fuller after adding spinach to their diet consistently. It's time to treat spinach not just as a side dish, but as an essential beauty food. Simple, natural, and deeply nourishing, spinach is truly hair food for the wise. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Don't underestimate the power of the small. Nuts and seeds might be tiny, but they are packed with nutrients that older adults need for fuller, thicker hair. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of vitamin E, zinc, selenium, and healthy fats, all crucial for scalp health and hair regeneration. Vitamin E acts as a natural antioxidant, helping to protect your hair follicles from damage caused by aging and environmental stress. Zinc plays a key role in tissue growth and repair, while selenium is essential for preventing hair breakage and improving texture. As we age, our ability to retain nutrients drops, so snacking on a handful of nuts or adding ground seeds to your meals can make a significant difference. These foods also help balance hormones, which is important since hormone fluctuations after 60 are one of the top causes of hair thinning. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds keep your scalp nourished and your strands strong. For a simple routine, try adding a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your morning porridge or snacking on mixed nuts in the afternoon. These age-old ingredients, treasured in many traditional diets, deliver modern results, restoring life and thickness to mature hair, one handful at a time. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just comfort food, they're a natural remedy for promoting thicker hair as we age. Rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, sweet potatoes help maintain healthy hair cells and encourage faster growth. Vitamin A also supports the production of sebum, a natural oil that keeps the scalp hydrated and the hair shaft smooth and strong. Many older adults experience dry, dull, or thinning hair because the scalp doesn't produce as much oil after 60. Including sweet potatoes in your diet helps restore that natural moisture from within. Plus, they're packed with fiber, vitamin C, and manganese, which contribute to the overall nourishment of hair follicles. Whether roasted, mashed, or baked in traditional dishes, sweet potatoes are a delicious and versatile way to support beauty from the inside out. Cultures around the world have valued root vegetables for longevity and vitality, and sweet potatoes are no exception. Their vibrant color is a sign of their nutritional power, and their gentle sweetness makes them a pleasure to eat regularly. By choosing this humble root, you're giving your hair the nutrients it needs to grow thicker, shinier, and more youthful, just as nature intended. Conclusion. Beautiful hair after 60 isn't a dream, it's a choice, and these 5 natural foods can help you make it a reality. By nourishing your body from within, you give your hair the strength and shine it deserves at any age. If this video helped you even a little, please share your feedback. We'd love to hear your experience. What food has worked best for your hair? Do you have a personal remedy passed down through generations? Share your story in the comments. We read every one, and your wisdom might just inspire someone else today. Like, share, and subscribe for more.